Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the last session we discussed on the browser commands. So today we are discussing browser commands part 2. So download files and run JavaScript. Okay. So let me open automation anywhere. Okay. Create new taskbar. Browser commands part 2 I'll give. Okay. Click on create button. Okay. So we are talking about browser commands, right? So just type browser. So here in the last session we saw the how to use the open, go back, find broken links, get source code and close. So in the today's session we'll see how to make use of this download file and run JavaScript. Okay, so just double click on this download file. So to download the file I need to open one of the URL, right? So I'll just open on Flower website. Okay, I'll just open Chrome. Okay, so I'll open this website. So from here what I will do, so I will download one flower. Okay, I'll download this flower. So before that I'll create one folder. I already created one folder here. You can see flower. This is empty. So we need to download. We need to download that file image here. Okay. Let me take this URL. Right click on it and then take this copy link address. So here you need to specify the URL. And after that location, file location you need to provide, right? So I'll just take that file location. Okay, so I already created this file, so I'll take this, I'll copy this. Okay, then go back to this automation anywhere and put this URL here, and after this I'll just give uh, flower dot jpg. Okay, then save it. Once you saved it, so if you run this task, so it is going to download that image inside that folder. So I have created one folder called flower. So in that folder it is going to download that image. Okay, bot is running now. Okay, your bot has run successfully. We'll see that folder. So it downloaded the image or not. See here it is downloaded. Let me open this. Okay, that image has downloaded in that folder. So now we'll see. So that is how we need to use that command, download command. So now we'll use this run JavaScript. Okay, so here again we need to take that browser. When that window we need to select, I'm just refreshing that window, and here from the drop down you just click on it and select that uh, website link here, and then so I'll just write one simple JavaScript. I mean that alert message I'll type here. Alert. Okay. Hi image. Okay, you just put that and capture. What I'll capture, once it is going to capture this, and it has to show that message box. Okay, it has to run the JavaScript and it has to display that hello image, hi image. Okay, it has to do that. So I'll just disable this. We need to give we need to write message in the single quote, and I'm just rerunning the bot. now it will go to that website and it will find that image, and then it is highlighting that JavaScript it is running high images. Okay, so that is how we need to call our JavaScript. So or else you can run your own JavaScript, or if you are having any file, that also you can use this import